Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with access and a clear plan. Log into Scopus through your institution or personal account. Make sure your proxy or VPN is active if required. Next, choose 3-5 core search terms and list synonyms or alternate spellings. This saves time. Once done, open Scopus and select Advanced Search for precision or Basic Search for quick results. Pause and confirm the date range and document types you need before moving on. This framing shapes every result you'll get. Now you construct and refine the query. Combine terms with and/or not and group them with parentheses to control logic. For example, machine or deep and learning. Use field codes like title, auth, afil, key to target searches. This reduces noise. Add wildcards such as asterisk or to capture variants and apply filters for years, subject area, or document type. Once you run a draft search, scan the top 10 results to spot missing synonyms or irrelevant hits and adjust. Finish by reviewing, saving, and exporting your findings. Sort results by relevance or citation count, open abstracts, and check cited references to discover additional leads. Save the final search and set email alerts to track new items. Then export selected citations in RIS or BibTX and download CSVs for analysis. If results are sparse or noisy, troubleshoot. Broaden synonyms, relax year or subject filters. Verify field codes and Boolean grouping, and rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.